Fang gang. You already know what it is. Got to clean out some of the snakes. Today I got to be a little more careful because it's been snowing. Since we live in the country, back roads don't really get plowed. It's not safe to drive, especially if something happened, had to get to the hospital. But let's talk about why you always see cobras and other elapids on the cleaning day videos. Elapids being cobras, mambas, coral snakes, the rink owls, which this is, because they have high metabolism. They're always going to the bathroom. It's constant cleaning. With the vipers, they don't go to the bathroom as often. Typically when I show them off, it's just for that reason, to show them off. And the real maintenance with them is usually changing the water. They do go to the bathroom, but not as often, not as constant as elapids with a high metabolism. So we're starting with the rink owls. I do have to fill some waters with the vipers, so we're going to show off some vipers too, don't worry. Rink owls. How come I'm showing off the same snake? Well, I'm not. The first one I showed you was the female rink owls, named Wrinkles. This right here is the male, named Mike, after friend and channel member Mike, who loves the rink owls. Look at the eyes on Mike. You see the blue coloration? He's about to go into shed. Now the cool thing about rink owls is they have keeled scales, the ridged, rough to the touch scales. And these snakes are really cool because they can hood up, they can spit, just like true spitting cobras, but they're not true cobras. They're in their own genus, Hemachatus. True cobras are in the genus Nadra. Differences would be the scales. True cobras have smooth scales. The rink owls, like I said, have the keeled, rough scales. These also give live birth. True cobras lay eggs. But that's the reason why I'm wearing the goggles, because they can spit venom, even though I've only had, I don't even think I've had them do it even once the whole time I've had them. They're both really good, both very laid back. In fact, there's only one time that I've captured them just hooding up. Awesome. Mike, the rink owls. The beautiful Eyelash Viper. The most incredible arboreal viper on earth, in my opinion. Check out the belly. See these reds and oranges? They come in so many different color patterns. Naturally. Incredible. Now I set up a black shirt as a background. Try to get some good footage with the actual camera. Not sure how it turned out yet. Haven't put it on the computer. But I'll play that next. I even turned off the light and shined a flashlight. Trying something different to get it much darker. Let's see how it was. Eyelash Viper. Wow. Now it's time for another very beautiful and very variable viper. The variable bush viper. This is Henry. Green. Beautiful. Variable bush viper, because they also come in many different colors naturally. Henry is green. They can come in red, orange, yellow, all types of colors. Very beautiful. Dragon-like because of these highly keeled scales. Henry. Beautiful. Similar to the ring owls that we saw, I'm going to need these. Similar to the ring owls we saw, this snake's from Africa as well. It's none other than Ralph, the black-necked spitting cobra. But the difference between the black-necked spitting cobra and the ring owls is that this is a true cobra, belonging in the genus Naja. Smooth scales, egg layer, true spitter, and wiggly. Difference personality-wise. Ralph is a lot more active and wiggly. The ring owl's very laid back. Also, Ralph probably spit on me more than any of the spitting cobras I've ever worked with, but it's understandable because he typically spits when I'm opening the bucket, getting him out, or trying to get footage of him. So getting close-up footage, impossible, pointless with Ralph. Until he gets to be an adult and hopefully calms down, then I will be able to get some good up-close footage of Ralph. But look at how beautiful and big he's getting. Ralph, named after channel member and friend Ralph, who we saw his beautiful variable bush viper. Added a clip of his tiger variable bush viper named Tigra. How awesome is this snake? Wow. Now to end it off, I'm going to show you the snake where those fangs came from. The melanistic western diamondback rattlesnake. All I did was capture footage using the actual camera. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Click subscribe, click like, leave a comment. Which one was your favorite? Big shout out to my channel members. If you'd like to support my channel, become a channel member. Get early access to videos and exclusive content. Also want to give a shout out to my Patreon members. You can support me over there, get early access and exclusive content there too. But I love y'all. Be back very soon.